Have you ever felt like your mind just won't stop? Like no matter how much you rest, you're still tired? It's not because you're weak, it's because your cup is full. And when the cup is full, nothing new can enter. This is the story of Maya and how she found peace by doing nothing at all. Maya was always thinking about her job, her friends, her future, her past. Her phone was always buzzing, her mind always spinning. One night, while pouring herself some tea, she noticed the cup was overflowing. Hot tea spilled everywhere, and for some reason, that tiny accident broke her. She sat down and cried, not because of the tea, but because that cup was her life. Too full, too heavy. And she didn't even notice it until it overflowed. Be honest, when was the last time you truly sat in silence? No music, no scrolling, no distractions, just you and your breath. Science actually agrees with Zen on this. When we pause and breathe, our brain's stress center, the amygdala, starts to calm down. We shift from chaos to clarity. We stop reacting and start seeing. If you want more stories like this, gentle reminders to slow down and find peace again, take a second to subscribe and join this mindful little corner of the internet. Let's grow together in stillness. The next morning, Maya sat quietly with her tea. No phone, no noise. She watched the steam rise and fade, just like her thoughts. And in that quiet moment, she realized, peace isn't found by fixing everything. It's found when you stop pouring more in, when you simply let yourself be. Remember, you can't pour from a full cup. Empty it and fill it with peace instead. Empty your cup. Find your calm. Subscribe for more Zen stories.